Hi guys, attempt number 2 at this, because the first one I did, it turns out I was taking burst photos. Me and my GoPro? No, not so good at that. Yeah, so you're getting a driving vlog of me running late to work, winning, and the reason why you're getting that is because I'm going to just do it Trisha Hayes style and just upload it without editing it, because I haven't got time to sleep. I'm not going to lie, I work long hours and I have to commute to get to work, and the commute is about an hour each way, and that's without me doing after work tasks. I don't know how bad my makeup is this morning, and to be honest with you, I ain't going to meet my future husband at my work, so we're okay. Where have I been? Good question. Okay, so it was my birthday at the beginning of April, which is why I didn't do a video either side of April. Like, you know, the first and second weekend of... Last weekend of March, first weekend of April. Last weekend of March, Dad's birthday. Wanted to spend it with the fam. First weekend of April, my birthday, ended up going out, got very drunk, realised I cannot deal with hangovers. Also really into napping at the moment. It's a really big part of my life, napping and Netflix. And I have a bit of a compulsive binging disorder. So I found Jessica Jones and felt the need to watch the 2 series of that in one weekend. And then I found Marvel's Defenders, amazing, needed to watch that obviously. And then I found Daredevil, and I'm being better on Daredevil, to be fair. I've only been watching it for 3 days, and I'm only like at the beginning of season 2, so for me that's amazing. I'm purposely trying not to watch it on weekdays because I don't think I'd go to bed. So there's that. And then what happened was this weekend I filmed a couple of videos so that I could start editing them, because I thought I was going away this weekend coming, but I'm not. Surprise! I don't know where I am. So I'm going to edit those videos and get them, one of them done for this weekend, and then next weekend the other one can go up, and then I'll film another video this weekend, so I'll just stay in this weekend and try and get that done. So that's fine, that will be dealt with. Yeah, so I ended up having a car crash on Sunday, which is why I didn't edit them on Sunday. My fault entirely. There was a kind of two-way street, but on each side of the street cars had decided to park. A bit douchey if you ask me, but hey, it happens. There are lots of children waiting to go to school. Why are we stopping? I'm not a bus. Why are we stopping at the bus stop? Let's go. Yeah, and a Range Rover decided to come down. I drive a very small car. I was already halfway down this road, which means really the Range Rover, like, don't be a douchebag, but they felt the need to be a douchebag, and that there was a tiny space in front of a car, and I thought I could make it into this tiny space, and to be fair, the front third of my car made it into the space, just the back 2/3 didn't. Only saving grace being is I drive a sports car, so it's quite low to the ground, thank God. And their car was just like a regular car, so that was quite high up. So I ended up just like clipping the back bumper. So yeah, good for them, bad for me, in the sense that I just had like a streak of green paint and dents all down one side of my car. That sucks. Luckily my dad was able to kind of like buff out a lot of like the paint. So I've only really got maybe 3 small dents down the side, like the passenger side of my car, and I'm only missing paint I think in one bit, and like the bit of paint I am missing, it's probably a centimetre squared, so it's not massive, and my insurance excess, thank God, is only like 150 quid. I've just got to hope, because my car's old, they don't think that my car's a write-off, because if they decide my car's a write-off, then I'm fucked. But hopefully they won't. Normally they don't. My car gets hit a lot. Touch wood, it doesn't Friday the 13th, and normally on a Friday the 13th I tend to have some kind of car accident, which sucks. Didn't have a car accident on Friday the 13th, instead I cracked my filling tooth, and it's this tooth here, which is quite an important like eating tooth. I need that to eat, so that's a problem. Luckily I've got some like Bonjela on steroids type stuff that I can put on, which just numbs up my whole mouth, but it only really works for like, I've noticed, like 15 minutes at a time. So maybe instead of like constantly popping pills, I should just probably constantly pop that. I don't know, maybe it could have something fun in it, and it could give me like a fun feeling. Who knows? We're gonna find out today. So yeah, there's that. Something else I want to touch upon and kind of gauge people's perspectives on is Syria. Now, why the hell we are meddling in Syria, I really don't understand. Like, I completely agree that it is despicable to use chemical warfare weapons, dropping chlorine, I don't know, is that the same thing? Who knows? I didn't really do very well at science, but that's for the East to kind of deal with, or at least the UN agree on a way to deal with it. It is not for 3 countries to go rogue and decide to bomb. Okay, and the interesting thing about this is, where is the death toll from all of these bombs that were dropped? There's like misleading information on how many bombs were dropped. There's misleading information on how many were shot down. I know some were shot down. Is that a speed camera? I didn't know that was there. So yeah, that is really interesting. A chap that I work with has said that if you read articles published more kind of like African, New Zealand, that kind of the other side of the world, to where we live in England, you tend to find out a lot more information, because obviously our media is semi-censored. When it comes to these kinds of things, you find out a lot more information that's not necessary. I'm spitting everywhere, I'm so sorry. Swallowed head. Yeah, we're a lot more censored than what they are and what we can and can't post. So that's always interesting and worth having a look at, because it paints a very different picture of what was kind of going on and what was used. Places that were targeted, for example, supposedly according to these foreign sources, the chemical weapons factory that got bombed hasn't actually even been used for like years. So it wasn't producing anything. So why did we bomb it? Like, that makes no sense. It's a bit like going, okay Britain, I don't like your use of military force, I'm going to go and bomb these abandoned army barracks. Like, I get it if it was done, supposedly it was done with authority from all sides. So basically, oh, roadkill, that's sad. So basically what had happened is there were secret discussions between kind of the USA, Russia, everyone, and America obviously had all these targets that they wanted to hit, so did we, so did France, but Putin pushed back, and in order to not lose face, they decided to bomb certain areas where they knew it wouldn't be populated, which meant obviously there'd be no death toll, no Russian soldiers would be injured, nothing like that. Hence them going after this abandoned, disused chemicals weapons factory. But do hit one that has got people in it, everyone's going to be like, so what? We've been doing this for 6 months now. You didn't care 6 months ago, so why should you care now? And then it's going to silence the people. And that's just a theory that I've kind of developed over it whilst I'm talking to myself and you guys now. Because when you think about it, that does kind of make sense in a weird way. I don't know. I will link the Shane Dawson kind of desensitisation conspiracy theory down below. I do believe in that though, and I do think he is onto something with it. It's very interesting. But from a UK standpoint, you see all over social media, I cannot talk this week, I'm so sorry. But you see all over like UK social media, maybe 1 in 6 people are backing the government. So if you look on like Theresa May's Facebook, 1 in 6 comments like, you did the right thing. Everyone else is like, seriously, why did you do that? Like, no, it's not what the people want. So it's not what Jeremy Corbyn, the leader of the opposition, wanted. It's not what Nicola Sturgeon wanted, leader of the SNP. Labour and the SNP have more seats combined than what our current coalition government is. Our coalition, oh my god, did I even go to school? Our coalition government is unstable at the best of times. So it's in a position where it can't actually really pass any laws because it doesn't have enough seats in Parliament. So this is probably why she went so rogue with it. In Parliament, when this happened, they were on like recess, so like spring break. And the Prime Minister can recall Parliament from any recess that they do have. She chose not to, and she chose to go rogue. Reason being is obviously Labour, SNP, and also a lot of backbencher Tories, being the Conservatives, didn't want this to happen. And the backbenchers tend to have a lot of pull with the party. I mean, like, they're the ones that you really don't want to upset, because once you upset the backbenchers, like, dude, you're done. It's like technical KO in UK politics, because for whatever reason, and I don't really fully understand backbenchers and how it works, but like, they are the yes or no's of this. So that's always interesting. So hopefully, and I have absolutely no problem with us having a Tory government at the moment, but hopefully she gets a vote of no confidence and she has to step down and we do actually get a strong Prime Minister, because at the moment you've got Brexit and she has pissed off the whole of the EU. She's got no mind of her own. Her biggest concern in the middle of Brexit was making grammar schools. And just so you know, like, a grammar school is kind of like a prep school, like a free prep school where you have to be so smart to get into it. And they were kind of like abolished, I think. Like, new ones were abolished from being made. Like, existing ones could stay, but new ones couldn't happen for the last however many years. And literally, she was obsessed with this. So, like, she wouldn't even get involved with Brexit talks. She wouldn't do anything about Brexit talks. All she cared about was these I've just seen a Fiat 500 with eyelashes and false lips attached to it. That is a crime. That is a crime to cars. If you own a car, please don't do that. It's very distressing for other road users and the car itself. The car has feelings. Don't upset the car. I've lost my train of thought. Yeah, she was obsessed with grammar schools. And, like, you know, it's Brexit, so we were leaving the EU. The vote went through, very bad. We need to make a plan. And instead of making a plan, she was like, do you know what? I went to grammar school, and I think we need more. And our education system in the UK is shot at the moment, because there's all of these academies, and the academies aren't really being policed properly. There's a lot of problems with the academies. Like, kids aren't learning, or they're not necessarily learning what they should be learning. They're learning very bad things, if they're learning at all. And schools aren't really happening. Like, dude, you cannot pull out in front of a police car and not get stopped. How is that fair? Obviously it's fair this morning. I'm going to be so late to work. But yeah, so I'm quite anti the whole Syrian thing, to be honest with you. Back to that topic, let's just flip-flop. I've never done one of these before, and it's just, this is how I ramble. I'm sorry. It's very difficult to keep track, I know. But yeah, no, I am against it. Until Parliament have reached a decision on it, where all parties have voiced an opinion, and it's an opinion for the people, not just for Theresa May to get her name in history, because she wants to be like Margaret Thatcher with the Falklands. Newsflash, not going to happen. You is weak, Margaret Thatcher. Not Margaret Thatcher. No, wrong person. Theresa May's weak. Margaret Thatcher strong. That's what I meant. See, not good at this. Getting my words mumbled. It's too early. I've got to go to work an adult soon, and it's just too early. And I cut my top. My top had like a inner bit of lining, and it was like kind of hanging off, and so I started to hack at it with some scissors, and now it just looks really bad. And I was just like, you know, when you just committed, you're like, well, it's on now, I'll just go with it. Like, fuck. I just spat again. I think it's this numbing stuff that I put in my mouth. It's making me like extra drooly. Anyway, so this has been a disgusting car vlog of you watching me just projectile spit as I talk. I feel sorry for everyone that sits near me today. I can't talk. I can't remember who's who. I know it's Tuesday. I know I'm probably going to be late for work. Yeah, I'm going to probably, most likely, definitely be late for work. And this is just an update of what's been going on. So hopefully I will get you a video up this weekend. Oh, quick note, won't be a piercing video though. Piercing videos. Now, piercing videos are going to be 1 in 5 or 1 in 6. So basically, roughly around every 5th or 6th video will be a piercing video. I have taken out all my face piercings because I got bored of them. But we're going to start cartilage training because I want to dick around with my cartilage a bit. So, yeah, I'm going to film a piercing video this weekend, maybe edit it and get it up for next weekend, but this weekend will be the stuff that I filmed last weekend, and you'll get this week. Maybe tonight being Tuesday, maybe tomorrow being Wednesday, I don't know. But anyway, thanks for making it this far, and thank you for being a subscriber. I hope you'll have a magical week. I hope it goes nice and quickly, and yeah, I'll see you guys